Is your dryer not heating? Well, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install a heating element wire kit from PartsDoctor.com. This works on this Whirlpool dryer, as well as some other great manufacturer brands such as Kenmore, Maytag, Amana, and more. So come along, I'll show you how to do it. Simple, we'll go step by step, so let's jump in it. If you need to purchase a new heating element wire kit for your Whirlpool dryer, you can check out our website, PartsDoctor.com, where we offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. A loose connection between the heating element and the heating element wire can cause the wire to get hot, discolor, melt, or even cause damage to the components and wires around it. If your dryer no longer heats, this is a simple thing to check off your troubleshooting list to find the potential problem. Tools needed for the repair? A 1/4-inch nut driver or socket, a wire stripping tool. Before working on any appliance, please remember to disconnect it from the power. If you need to move your dryer away from the wall, please disconnect the dryer vent hose on the rear of the machine. To access the heating element wire, first take off the terminal cover by removing the 1/4-inch hex head screw at the top of the cover. Once the terminal cover is removed, you can remove the 1/4-inch screws holding in the back panel to the machine. Set the back panel aside. With the back panel removed, you can see the metal chute called the heater box located on the right side of the rear of the dryer. The heating element makes up the bottom of the heater box. The heating element wire is the bottom wire attached to the high limit thermostat that's located on the left side of the heating element. The heating element wire that we are going to replace is the bottom red wire with the female spade connector on it. Disconnect this wire and inspect the wire for damage. It is important that you leave as much of the original wire while being sure to cut off the damaged portion. Start cutting as close to the female spade connector as you can while working back to find the undamaged wire. Cut away the wire until all of the burnt insulation is removed and the copper wire inside is untarnished. If you need to purchase a heating wire element kit, make sure you get a manufacturer certified replacement part like the ones that we sell on our website, PartsDoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to be sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to be sure you get the correct part. Once you have cut away all of the damaged wire, use the wire strippers and the new replacement wire as a guide to measure and remove the same amount of insulation off the existing wire on the dryer. Hold the two wires parallel to each other and carefully screw on the wire nut until the connection is tight and secure. Once the two wires are securely attached, you can reconnect the new female spade connector to the heating element. On this model, the heating element wire attaches to the bottom male spade connector without another connection on it. You want to be sure that this connection is not loose and that the new wire spade connector fits on the heating element firmly. If you need to, you can use the needle nose pliers to carefully squeeze the female spade connector so that it fits tightly on the heating element. Reattach the back panel with the 1/4-inch hex head screws and reinstall the terminal cover with the fastener on the top of the panel. Reconnect the exhaust vent hose and plug in your dryer. Well, that's it. Congratulations, you've completed the repair, but maybe your dryer's still under the weather and not heating up? Well, I've thrown some commonly failed components down in the description below of some other things you might want to check out. Until next time, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Thanks for watching and have a good day.